And new tonight, the Washington Post reports incoming border czar Tom Homan is reconsidering plans to start mass deportations here in Chicago. But local immigration advocates are still trying to inform people of their rights before President-elect Donald Trump takes office Monday. WGN's Angelica Sanchez has details.
They have developed a life here. You know, they have a house, they pay taxes and everything.
A 34-year-old woman living in Chicago on a visa did not feel comfortable giving out her identity, but does want to voice her concerns for her undocumented friends and family.
Because they've been here for so long.
A Wall Street Journal news report has put immigration advocates in Chicago on alert.
If your family is picked up by ICE, we will give you an appointment to sit down with an attorney or an accredited representative in Chicago to be able to start your legal screening, seeing what the options are for your family.
State and local leaders joined them Saturday morning.
We did anticipate that Chicago would be first. Why? We were the first in the country to declare ourselves a sanctuary city.
The Wall Street Journal's report says as early as next Tuesday, 100 to 200 ICE agents could be sent to the Windy City to begin a deportation operation. Those familiar with the plans told the Journal the focus will be removing people who are here illegally with criminal backgrounds.
That assertion is to broaden the idea that immigrants are more prone to criminality. That's why we reject it. It seeks to vilify a much broader community.
Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker and Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson have said the city's sanctuary ordinances forbid Chicago police from coordinating with ICE. The governor has said in the past there are many reasons for people to be residing in the state legally and still be undocumented. Some examples are those with work visas and those awaiting asylum hearings. He says there are also others that have lived here for decades, holding down jobs and paying taxes they never benefit from. The governor is, however, in favor of deporting undocumented violent criminals.
We want families to understand that young people can still go to school, right? That the classrooms are going to be safe.
Chicago Public Schools, the Chicago Transit Authority, the Chicago Park District, and community colleges of Chicago have all been directed not to allow ICE access into any of their buildings.
We have a commitment to work together to build a coordinated effort to ensure that people know their rights, that we are in fact monitoring, and that we're working with the nonprofit organizations in order to ensure that if there is something happening, we have a plan on how to respond.
Reporting in Pilsen, Angelica Sanchez, WGN News.
And the Know Your Rights campaign will start workshops next week for undocumented people. We have more information on our website, WGNTV.com.